so awesome in its response. It's the purest of the fuel injection. That's the other reason why you sometimes get a second handful of throttle by accident when you just flip, you land and you just touch the throttle, flip, like you don't even mean to flip it, and it takes off. Let me have a look. Decent sized rock. I jumped that little gully thing. I took my weight off the pegs and bunny hopped it across. Ass up in the air, front wheel first, sort of jogged that one. Oh yeah, look at this hill. Oh, look how we just, these days, Pete and I just don't stop that.